The Maverick is literally exhausted just by thinking about West Indies cricket. It's a kind of nauseating toxicity that characterizes a love-hate relationship. Anyway, this latest 35-point recommendation by another independent panel, inclusive of batting great Brian Lara, set up in response to that dismal performance at the World T20. It spoke to a lack of preparation, people management skills, and blah, blah, blah. But the part that got me, the man them devote an entire section of the report talking about Shimron Hetmyer. Yes, yes. And how the West Indies missed him at the World Cup, and how cricket West Indies must know how to manage special talent like Hetmyer. And that Hetmyer is to the West Indies what Dennis Rodman was to the Chicago Bulls. Yes, yes. Now, first of all, except for his hairstyle, Hetmyer is no Dennis Rodman. Shimron Hetmyer is an indisciplined, unprofessional, overrated batsman who is not committed to West Indies cricket. He averages 26 in 150-odd T20 internationals. This is a man who blatantly lied to the board in choosing to stay home with his wife instead of going to represent the West Indies in the T20 World Cup. And we must manage him better. Shimron Hetmyer should never play for the West Indies again, but manage better. And one day Lara think Hetmyer is Lara.